Welcome to our YouTube video on centrifugal casting. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what centrifugal casting is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Centrifugal casting is a metal casting process where molten metal is poured into a rotating mold. The centrifugal force pushes the metal against the mold walls, creating a dense, uniform, and high-quality cylindrical part. Think of centrifugal casting like spinning a salad spinner. The spinning pushes water outward to the edges, just like molten metal is pushed to the mold walls. So, why is centrifugal casting so beneficial? Because it produces strong, defect-free parts, is ideal for pipes, tubes, and cylindrical components, and ensures consistent material density and mechanical properties. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.